What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here, along with Jessie girl. And you know what? We picked up some Pono Market food. Yeah, check it out. Just give them a little teaser. Just tease them. Yeah.
This is the
what we got? What we got? Ooh, look at that, guys.
Oh my God, that's really good.
That is delicious.
I know this is Kailua pork.
Kailua pork, guys.
This is right here, the lau lau. Hello.
The lau lau
going backwards.
Right, look at that. Whoa! Look at that.
And then they
goodness. Yeah, sushi. What's up, guys? Oh my God. Trying to vlog here while driving. Hope you guys are having a great day. Jess and I have the same day off.
Oh, it's really good.
We just finished cleaning an office. Actually, we cleaned it this morning. Went to Kmart. Got some good deals because unfortunately Kmart, our only Kmart here on Kauai, is closing down. It's closing down. So a lot of sales going on there. We noticed a kayak was half off. It looked really good. Jess really liked it. So yeah, so we got it. We got it, guys. Well, we got another kayak. Yay!
Now you're more paddling and go fishing.
Oh yeah. So the plan is, you know, Jess and I to go out and fish a little bit offshore, and you know, now we'll have our own kayak and more space, especially on the Trinidad, the yellow one. That one will have a lot more space to put things in the front area. So that is totally cool. And now we're heading over to the Wailua River area. Yeah, Wailua River area to meet up with Brian, aka Photo Gopher, and also our other good friend Mike, who's down from the mainland once again, and also my cousin John and the kiddos. They're kiddos over there, so they're heading over there. Just gonna hang out, talk stories, try out the new kayak, and fish. Just bought a whole bunch of stuff at Kmart for fishing.
Oh yeah,
right, Jess?
I got it right here,
a whole bunch. You gotta organize it and put it in your tackle box, Jess?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
I have right here.
Sorry.
Yeah. $10 that one.
Yeah, look at that.
Gonna be wrong.
Yeah. So yeah.
I having fun buying all my stuff.
Sorry if you guys are looking up my nose. We got a good comment. Somebody said to hold the camera a little bit higher, so they're not looking up my nose. So sorry about that.
Out your nose.
Yeah. So there, I'm lifting it up a little bit better. Yeah, a little bit. All right.
Oh yeah.
So yeah. Oh, I think I ate too much last night. A little bloated. Not a little, really bloated. But yeah, enough of you blabbing away.
This is all my stuff I buy.
Wow, look at that.
Where's all the small one?
No, it's back there someplace.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I did. I took out.
I have a small one like this, the small one.
Oh, it's in there. It's in the back there. Maybe it's in the back of the chair or something.
Oh, the back of the chair?
Yeah.
What?
So yeah, look at that. Jess got, oh wow, Jess, you got your own headlight, headlamp, whatever too now. Wow, all this stuff was super cheap. What is this? This is for freshwater? What is that?
All right, here. Oh yeah.
What is that?
A fish, a little fish.
Little fish? Oh.
Yeah, little fish.
Nice, nice. Is that for freshwater or for saltwater fish? What's going
It
on with
doesn't
that?
matter.
Does it matter? Doesn't really matter.
See, I never see anything.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Guys. Okay. I gotta drive.
See ya.
See you guys over there at the river. Let's go. Yeah, it's okay. Nobody's gonna be there. Later on. Alright guys, so yeah, we're over here at the Wailua Marina area. Look at this, guys. Beautiful day. Look at that. So yeah, this is the kayak that we bought for $176. Check it out, guys. It's a Sun Dolphin 10 SS. But yeah, look at those people. Beautiful. A lot of people right here. Look at that. The boat launch area. We can just launch it from here. So small, but yeah, I'll probably just go there later. Allah! Oh, look at that, guys. Jet skiing. Holy moly. You know, look at all those people. Kayaking. Yeah, it's really, really nice to do. And there's a beautiful sleeping giant, guys. Look at that. Woo. But yeah, back to this, guys. Woo. Check it out. Man down. Overboard. John. Interview.
Just he was taunting Kai.
Hi. Look, where's the beer?
Where's the beer? Okay. Hey, you know how? It's just like the kayak. Yay, alright. Hee
No, over there. Wait, Elisa. Your arm is daddy.
Yeah, I'm looking for shadow.
Alright.
Oh, it's cool.
Sorry. Wait, I didn't even get on yet. Holy shit, this freaking thing is hot.
Oh, put water. Put water.
Water, no.
Wait, I can't. I'm holding it. It's okay.
Put water, Eliza. Put water in your auntie's butt. Go, put water in my auntie's butt. There you go. It's okay. There's holes in there. It's gonna.
Let me pick him.
Oh my god. What water, hello?
Yeah, where's your life vest? Wow. Holy moly. Hey, Romeo, eat them, boy. Don't go too far. What's up, guys? So we got some Jack Daniels here. So we're going to give it a little shot here.
Give it a little shot.
Woo.
What'd you think about it?
I think it's pretty good. Tennessee honey. Jack Daniels.
And this commercial was brought to you by...
Yeah. I'm not actually sponsored by Jack Daniels, but you know what? I wish they did sponsor me because this thing is good, guys. Good. I don't know. It's smooth. Smooth. Check that out.
So let's say that Robert knows Jack.
I don't know, Jack.
And his name is Jack Hoff. Jack Hoff.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here on the beautiful Wailua River with the sleeping giant right over there in the backdrop. We got Jess trolling with Mr. Romeo. Where are you guys going? Wow, look at them! Woohoo! Hi guys! Nice. You have to straighten up your leg, Eliza. No?